All right, we are going straight. Whenever you stop, please do look around. Okay. What is the speed limit here?
30 or 40 something.
Yes. Yes. So over here is a stop
It's a
sign.
stop
Slow,
sign.
nice and slow. 100% stop. Okay. Go. Okay, if you don't go, other people will go. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. When you stop at our always go. Continue. If you don't stop, go after stopping, because you came first, other people will not wait for longer. Right, so that's why we stop. We came first, we want to proceed. Okay, nicely we slow down and we stop. Okay, let's go.
Now this area is also 30. Then
30 begins.
30
Yes.
begins.
Mhm. Okay, we wanna be more to the right because we cannot touch the yellow line. Slow. So
Stop sign again.
uh-huh.
Okay. Then we go again. Same thing, 30 kilometer.
Mm-hmm. This is a sharp road, right? Sharp
Yes.
turn.
Yes.
So we wanna be more to the right side, because if you don't go, turn the wheel more. You're not letting it go, girl. Pick up the speed.
Okay.
Okay, so you hold the brake too tight. So remember, we did lots of practice when there was a sharp turn, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So we wanna hold the brake if the speed is there, lightly, not like hold the brake so much, so that look at your speed. I want you to look ahead, look at your speed and behind. Okay, so from the stop sign we're gonna go left. Okay. Nice and slow behind the white line, 100% stop. Okay, and then
we check.
we go. Let's go. We do not check. Let's go. You can check while going through, but you cannot after the stopping. 100% we came first, we have to go. So make sure you understand what to do and you do, because further in the residential area I will not help you, because you have to do. Let's go. Okay,
This one uphill.
it's a downhill, girl.
Oh, sorry, downhill. Yes.
Okay, it's a downhill, uphill, whatsoever, but we have to look. There's a car passing by, because
Yes.
you're driving slow.
Okay.
You cannot, either is downhill, we're gonna go left at the light, either is downhill, uphill, whatever. I'm gonna hold the brake. Whenever I'm in control, please relax, because I can. Okay, so whenever it's uphill, downhill, whatsoever, you cannot drive below the speed limit. Okay, that's why the car behind us, they pass through. Okay, so remember. Okay, green light, let's go. Hit the gas. Okay, let's go. Hit the gas a little bit more. There you go. Okay, easy with the wheel. All right. Okay, pick up the speed. 50. Okay, 50. Okay, easy with the wheel. If you hold too tight, I cannot help you. 50 on the dot. 50. Let's go. Okay, so you have again one job. Well, it's not one job, but all right. So going through, I'm looking at the timer. What is the timer? Timer says 2, 1.
Yes,
Okay,
so we are
yellow
slow.
light, slow, nicely slow, please. So you do not want to hold the wheel so tight. I'm holding it here
Okay.
because you will need my help.
Yes.
If you hold it so tight, I cannot do like this. Cool.
Yes.
Cool. All right. So why am I holding it here? Because I wanna be, if I am on the left lane, I wanna be in the center of my left lane. If I am on the right side, I wanna be in the center of the right lane. Yes, because there are cars, I cannot bump into them. All right, that's one thing. Okay, so today the job is look ahead, look at your speed limit, and look behind. I do not want you to drive 20, 30 when the speed is 50. Okay. I will tell you what is the speed limit, but is your job. I'm giving you a job to do. So take your don't be nervous, because I'm here. I'll protect both of us. But always look in the speedometer, because if you don't look, you will not know what's the speed.
Okay.
So they got a yellow light, and so it's raining today. They got an arrow. See, when they get arrow, these people turning left,
Yeah.
nobody comes straight or walking.
Yes.
Okay, what's the situation? Let's go. Hit the gas, please. Gradually, nicely. Let's go. Continuous but nicely. Okay.
Maximum 50.
Yes, maximum 50. Okay, so okay, girl, what's your speed? 60, but I want 50.
50.
Please, 50. Yes, so I am gonna record her what she's doing so that she feels the pressure. My dear, what's your speed? It cannot drop. Okay, I look at the timer. I have good enough time to go through. I want to go through.
Okay.
What's your speed? Girl, I want 50.
Yeah.
It can go 55, 50, no problem, but please neither below 50, neither like 60. Okay, that's why I give you the job to do. Okay, so you don't need to look so much at the rear view every 7 seconds only, but more often you wanna, like, of course we drive looking ahead. What's your speed? What's the speed?
60.
Yes,
It's-
I do not want to go 60 at all. 50, 55, 48. Just because you are new, I'm letting you do 55, but as we move forward, you won't be able to drive 55. Okay, so I am, like, she is not the only one holding a steering wheel. I am holding it, you can see, so that we can be in the center of the lane. So what's the timer? What is the number in the timer?
9,
Let's go.
8. So we have
Let's go. Yep, exactly. We have enough time to go through. Please watch your speed.
Yes.
So whenever you pressing the gas and not pressing, I want you to look. So easy and simple job I gave you. Look ahead, look at your speed, and while pressing or not pressing, you want to look at the speed, because speed drops, that's we can't do.
We don't. We have a time.
Yes, we have got time to go through. Okay, so upcoming light is Stills. We're gonna go left at Stills. Okay.
Left.
Yes. So continue. Get into the left lane.
Slowly.
So, okay, with a safe distance, we're gonna stop. Okay, nicely. There you go. Very good. Okay, so we have a green light, and we have how many cars ahead of us? I think 2 or 3.
Yes.
All right. So, little bit up. They are gone. Move up. Girl, listen, please.
Okay.
Move up.
More?
Yes, girl, move up.
Okay.
Center.
Center or we are going?
Man, relax.
Okay.
Move up a bit, please.
Okay.
Relax. I'm in control.
Okay.
Okay. After the second car, we're gonna go. Okay. Let's go. Hit the gas. Go. Okay. Pick up the speed. Why did you drop? Okay. Hello, Malik. Okay. Not 50.
50.
Okay. Switch lane to the right, please. Mirror check. First, signal right. Blind spot to the. Why are you playing with the thing? Slow.
Signal right.
Signal right is up. Not like constantly. Take the signal off, because you couldn't do lane change.
Yeah.
Okay, straight. Let's go. Okay, so you see 50, gradually pick up. Don't press so hard. Okay, so lane change, please. Mirror check. This is first. Signal right. Blind spot check. Okay. Maintain the speed limit and get in. There you go. Every single time we do lane change, you have to do this. Maintain the speed. Take the signal off, please. Okay, that's it. We are driving on the right lane. Okay, remember what job I gave you. What is the speed limit? Why is going 60? It's a 50 road, my dear. Okay, so tap and release. Do not,
Press it.
do not press so much. I want soft touch, gentle touch. That means like this and this, this and this, this and this. Got it?
Yes.
Can you do what I showed you? Okay, easy and simple. Nobody like nothing to be scared of. I'm gonna make your life easy. Watch, it's dropping. I want you to look whenever it's dropping, nicely gently press. Whenever it's up, release your feet. Okay, this is all we're gonna do. Make yourself easy with this, because what's your speed? Drop it. So looks like the timer we can go through, correct? Okay, so we do not need to press so much in order to go through.
Now it's 60.
From here is 60. Press it up. Make gently make it 60. Press more to make it 60. Gentle touch. Okay, and keep 60. How to maintain 60? Explain me.
Only for little touch. For the,
Yes,
yes.
gently we
Gently.
touch. So look, if I'm not holding the string, it goes to left and right. Okay, so which we cannot do that. 60, my dear, 60. Light is way too far, you cannot drop to 50. Maintain. Remember the touch I showed you, how to touch. Okay, that's it. Easy with the wheel, because I'm helping you with the wheel. Okay, so from here, just because it's a red light,
Yes.
reduce gently, press the brake. Reduce. Okay, gently, there you go, and save distance. Very good. Stop. All right, so when is green light? Everybody had red light. We came later on, that's fine, but everybody will pick up slowly, so there is no rush to press the gas. Go continuously press it, but gently please, because if the traffic moving slowly, we're gonna move slowly also, right? Now the space is way too much. You can gently press and pick up 60. 60, my dear. 60. Okay, 60. Okay, easy with the wheel, because I'm like, if I'm holding, I am having pain. If you hold it tight, I'm having more pain, because I'm the one who is turning. Slowly you will know how to be in the center of the lane. Okay, 60 on the dot. Please, you have a job to do.
60.
Look ahead, look at your speed and maintain this. You have to fix it, because I can't go below the speed, not above too much. Okay,
Yes.
Okay. It's dropping, girl. Gently press it, gently release. The release shouldn't be too much, then it's dropping to 55. Pressing should be too much, which is going to above 65. Okay, I'm turning the wheel. Feel my hand please, that when I'm pressuring you. Okay, so the road is turning a bit, I am turning the wheel a bit, right?
Yes.
So I understand, like, it's hard to be in the center of the lane. You are new, but whenever I am turning, maintain your speed. I'm gonna talk too much, that's fine. Whatever job I gave you, that's you have to focus on. All right, so girl, 60. All right, gently press.
Yes.
What I was saying, I totally forgot. Memory loss. What I was saying?
या धीरे धीरे स्लाइडली प्रेस करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना.
हाँ, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है तो करो ना. ओके, मेंटेन इट. बहुत धीरे से प्रेस करना है, धीरे से छोड़ना भी है, कि लाइक इट शुड बी कंसिस्टेंट. प्रेसिंग इट्स लाइक टैपिंग. इधर मैं आपके हाथ में जो कर रही हूँ ना, ये ऐसे ऐसे. तो देखिए, मैं नहीं पकड़ रही हूँ आपका स्टीयरिंग व्हील. गाड़ी किधर जा रही है? हेलो भाई साहब. 60, मेंटेन 60. All right, so I was saying steering wheel, whenever there is a wavy road, whatever road, feel my hand what I'm doing. If I am turning left or right, like I am giving you pressure on this steering wheel. 60, maintain please.
Yes.
Slightly I'm turning, you can't even feel my turning, you know, but you want to feel it because I am doing it slightly. You can see the movement of the steering wheel. That's I am the one who is moving, not you. Watch your speed. It's going downhill. All right, you have to control the speed. I wanna either uphill, downhill. I wanna maintain the speed limit. So on the dot. Okay. All right. Switch lane to the left, please. Did you check the mirror? You didn't. There's a car next to us. Okay, maintain 60. Maintain. Girl, hit the gas. Blind spot check. To the left. Go. Hit the gas. You can't drop the speed and go. Switch lane to the left. Okay, slow. We have a red light. Oof, the pressure is extreme when I take students to the main road. Holy moly, my throat is dried. How much talk I do, because there is a mistake, we can get into accident. So whenever I ask you to do lane change, no rush to do lane change. What is the target?
We go left side.
No,
Left.
मैंने आपको बोला कि लेन चेंज, लेन किसको बोलते हैं?
लाइन चेंज करने को.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो लेन चेंज जब भी करने हैं आपको स्पीड मेंटेन करना है, समझे? स्पीड अगर ड्रॉप कर दिया ना, पीछे से गाड़ी आ रहे हैं तो
वो ठोक.
उसके सामने आप जा रहे हैं, ठोक देंगे और राइट. तो स्पीड मेंटेन जिस लेन में आप चला रहे हैं उसके मेंटेन करना है. मैं बाद में एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. व्हाट इज़ द सिचुएशन? दे हैव अ ग्रीन लाइट.
Yes.
वी डिडंट गेट द एरो. वंस इट्स अ ग्रीन लाइट, थोड़ा सा सामने जाना है, फिर रुकना है. समझ में आई? फिर हमको ट्रैफिक देखना है, पेडेस्ट्रियन कोई चल रहा है कि नहीं वो देखना है, लाइट चेंज हो रहा है कि नहीं ये देखना है. 3 चीज़ देखना है.
Green light.
हाँ, सामने जाइए थोड़ा स्लो. हाँ, ऐसे करके जाना है. ठीक है, रुक जाइए. हाँ, फिर देखना है, टिल्ट नहीं, उधर नहीं, इधर देखना है, लेफ्ट साइड में. भाई टिल्ट कीजिए, ऐसे करके उधर देखना है.
Okay.
गाड़ी आ रहे ना सामने से.
हाँ.
हाँ, सो मैं अगर आपको जाने बोलूँ आप बहुत स्लो जाएंगे, ट्रक आ रहे हैं सामने से. Okay, of course I won't say, क्योंकि I know you already you're gonna go slow. Let's go, hit the gas. ओए, टर्न कीजिए. हाँ, okay, fix the wheel. Okay, pick up 70. Gradually भाई, gradually press करो. हाँ, consistently, gradually, बहुत आराम से प्रेस करने का, जोर से दबाने ही क्या. भाई हिंदी. ओके, तो लेन है, ये है लेन, ठीक है, और दूसरा लेन है वो. सही है, इनको हम लेन बोलते हैं. तो मैं आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग सो दैट आफ्टर आप देखना, फिर समझना कि क्या बोला मैंने. इससे आप कंसिस्टेंट चलाइए प्लीज़. इधर से उधर जाने को हम स्पीड ड्रॉप नहीं कर सकते. अगर हमारे सामने ट्रैफिक हो, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी के बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है, रास्ता खाली है. अगर आप स्पीड ड्रॉप किए और पीछे से गाड़ी आ रही है दूसरी लेन में, उधर से हम एक्सीडेंट में जाएंगे. सामने जाके लेफ़्ट करना है हमको. तो क्या करना है? हाँ, लेफ़्ट नीचे. हाँ, तो मिरर में चेक कीजिए, सिग्नल किया, ब्लाइंड स्पॉट, एंड इधर में जिधर में जाना है उधर में ब्लाइंड स्पॉट चेक करना है. नाइस एंड स्लो. तो अगेन, तो लेन चेंज करने के आपने अभी किया, समझ में आए? पैनिक नहीं करने का. हम नाइस एंड स्मूथ स्लो ड्राइव कर रहे हैं. नहीं, नॉट स्लो बट नाइस एंड स्मूथ, व्हाटएवर द स्पीड लिमिट, उसमें ही हम ड्राइव कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके इजी हो जाओ, क्योंकि अगर एक्सीडेंट होगा, कुछ होगा, आई एम हियर. आई एम नॉट गोना लेट यू गो विदाउट लुकिंग और डूइंग. ये स्पेशल लाइट है. चलिए, हिट द गैस.
हमें निकलना है.
हाँ, निकलना है. लाइट प्रेस कीजिए, प्रेस इट. हाँ, आपको फील होना है कि कितना प्रेस करूँ कि हम इधर से जा सकते हैं, है ना? ओके, ऑलराइट, सो वी गोना नो आफ्टर दिस कार टर्न्स हैं, ओके, तो लेन चेंज करना है टुवर्ड राइट। क्या करना है?
हमें राइट
इधर में देखना है भाई,
मिरर चेक करना,
हाँ,
सिग्नल देना,
हाँ,
फिर
कंसिस्टेंटली की ड्राइविंग 60 हाँ भाई, थोड़ा अच्छा तरह प्रेस करो, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं, स्मूथली प्रेस, मेक इट 60 हुआ?
60
हाँ, अभी ब्लाइंड स्पॉट चेक कीजिए, सिग्नल दीजिए।
सिग्नल राइट,
यार स्लो, इजी, आई एम इन कंट्रोल, इजी, सिग्नल ऑफ प्लीज। कैन यू एक्सप्लेन मी हाउ टू डू लाइन चेंज? इधर में देखना है फर्स्ट, इधर में देखना है फर्स्ट, इधर में क्या देख रहे हैं हम?
फर्स्ट में पीछे
देख रहे हैं, हाँ,
पीछे कोई आ रहा है,
फिर सिग्नल देना है,
फिर सिग्नल देना है, फिर
ब्लाइंड स्पॉट देना है। तो जो हमारा स्पीड है उस स्पीड से ही हम इधर में आ रहे हैं जब भी कोई गाड़ी नहीं है। ओके,
अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं करती हूँ।
नो प्रॉब्लम, टेक योर टाइम, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट जब भी कर रहे हो सही करना है। लेट्स गो स्ट्रेट, ग्रेजुअली, कंसिस्टेंटली प्रेस इट। Main road pressure is high, I understand, but slowly you will be fine.
स्पीड लिमिट इज 50,
सामने जाके 50 हो रहे हैं तो स्पीड थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस कीजिए, 50 हो जाएगा। फिर सामने रेड लाइट है, हमको
स्टॉप करना,
हाँ वाइट लाइन के पीछे स्टॉप करना है। ओके, आपको सिखाते ना मेरा हिंदी का बाप की माँ मैं भी सीख जाऊंगी। स्लो,
आपको अच्छी तरह से
आ जाएगी। लाइक नॉर्मली आई, इफ आई हैव टू स्पीक हिंदी, आई डोंट प्रीफर दोज स्टूडेंट बिकॉज आई स्ट्रगल टू स्पीक, एंड इतना फास्ट है, इतना प्रेशर है व्हाइल आई टीच। अगर मैं, इफ आई मम्बल मीन्स लेट्स गो, hit the gas gradually, स्पीड लिमिट इज 50। ओके, फिर से आपका जॉब है, मैं आपको बहुत कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ करने का, बट आपका जॉब है कि सामने देखो, स्पीड लिमिट देखो, 50 में ड्राइव करने का, हाँ, पीछे देखने का। जब भी whenever you press the brake, please पीछे देखने का, like you have to look at the rear view mirror, okay, so that how fast the car coming behind we can see. Gradually, slow down the car. We are at Finch Avenue West and Albion. हाँ, अभी रुक जाइए, safe distance. Hello Malik, how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel okay.
Pressure is all mine. There is a pressure, but no worries. कुछ दिन बाद आप चलाएंगे और मैं बैठी रहूँगी नाइसली। कब उस दिन आएगा? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, नहीं जाने का भाई, वी हैव रेड लाइट। ओके, सो ग्रीन लाइट, प्लीज ग्रेजुअली, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता प्रेस करो, कंसिस्टेंटली, हाँ, प्रेस की कंटिन्यूसली दबाइए और जोर से गैस को दबाना है।
50 लिमिट
है, 50 लिमिट है। सो डू फॉरगिव माय हिंदी बिकॉज उनको समझाने के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, सो दैट वो समझे, और इन फ्यूचर, I mean after finishing the lesson she can watch it and understand what I explained, because now we are in pressure. When she sits at home, thus she can analyze what I was saying and what was the mistake and all that kind of thing. Anyways, ये सामने से ये राइट को जा रहे हैं, इस टाइम पे हमको स्लो डाउन करना है, रुकना है तो रुकना है, समझे? क्योंकि अगर सामने कोई गाड़ी है उसको ठोक के तो हम नहीं जा सकते ना। Alright, so if that car didn't go through, we would have stopped with a safe distance. रुक जाइए, हाँ, okay, okay, nice and slow, safe distance, okay. तो remember, अपने residential area we learned how to do left turn and right turn. हमने क्या सीखा? What is the difference?
the destination area. We are learn for right and left turn. And
सामने जाइए. No, I was asking कि लेफ्ट टर्न करने में और राइट टर्न करने को 50 इज द स्पीड लिमिट. पिकअप 50. उसका डिफरेंस क्या है?
the left turn is like a little
50 girl, 50. Remember, just do 50 because it's my responsibility that you don't drive faster than the posted speed, because if there is a cop, like a lot of time cops are hidden, so you're gonna get the ticket. All right, so I have to be careful. तो पीछे देखिए बहुत सारे ट्रक है, गाड़ी है, बहुत कुछ है. इफ़ यू हैव टू डू अ लेन चेंज और स्पीड आप ड्रॉप कर दीजिए तो क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द रिस्क?
oh yeah
एग्जैक्टली
the car is
उनके सामने आप चले जाएंगे. अभी मैं आपको लेफ्ट करने को बोलूँगी. यू हैव टू चेंज लेन टू द लेफ्ट. इफ़ यू ड्रॉप आई हैव अ, आप ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं स्पीड, लेट्स गो, हिट द गैस.
okay
Without, I'm gonna make the lane change. Relax. Okay, so you can never ever drop the speed. Take the signal off, please. So you just saw the risk that you drop the speed. You cannot do that. पीछे गाड़ी है, उनके सामने हम आ जाएंगे. सही है? So that's why you are learning how to maintain the speed. सामने जाके left करेंगे. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Get in. Okay, nice and slow. Nice and slow. हर टाइम में मैं आपको हेल्प कर रही हूँ. पैनिक होने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. ऑलराइट, सो ये जाएगा, फिर हम डिसाइड करेंगे हम जा सकते क्या नहीं. समझे? सो ऑलराइट, मूव अप प्लीज, मूव अप, लेट्स गो, हिट द गैस, गो हिट द गैस गर्ल, हिट कंटिन्यूअस. ओके, हाँ, कंटिन्यूअस. इधर आपका लेन पे आके ना ग्रेजुअली स्पीड पिकअप करना है, क्योंकि पीछे अगर कोई हमारा फॉलो कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स वो भी लेफ्ट टर्न कर रहे हैं, वो भी आके ठोक सकते हैं. अगर आप टर्न करने के वक्त नहीं, टर्न करने के वक्त में आप अगर रुक जाते थे तो समझे? 50, मेंटेन 50 प्लीज. So whenever I train on main road, the pressure is so much because every student varies, because you know the reaction varies, like how much stress they are in, how much they are observing, how much they are understanding. Of course, because they are new, they do not understand so much. Gradually they do pick up, and she will definitely gradually pick up and understand everything. That's why I'm recording nice and slow, please. The traffic is traffic is moving slow, so that's the reason I am recording, so that she understands. Okay, move up please, let's go. We're gonna go straight. Timer is 16, 14, let's go. Gradual pick up. And this guy on the left was giving signal he wants to come up to the right side. Okay, so everything while driving, everything should be observed. That means रास्ता में क्या हो रहा है, लेफ्ट में क्या हो रहा है, राइट में क्या हो रहा है, सब कुछ, पीछे क्या हो रहा है, सामने क्या हो रहा है, सब कुछ देखना है. ओके, मेंटेन 50. थोड़ा नीचे, सो मैं आपका स्पीड लिमिट देख सकती हूँ. ग्रेजुअली रिमेंबर हाउ टू प्रेस माय डियर. डू नॉट प्रेस ऑल ऑफ अ सडन के स्पीड ज़्यादा हो जाए. डू नॉट रिलीज के बहुत नीचे हो जाए. ओके,
but people, do you want I try to change the line?
क्या बोला आपने?
I said no. Now line is not much people in behind me, so you want I try to land to change left side or right side?
Okay, I will.